Hey everyone, on this Thanksgiving Day, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you, especially the hardworking professional contractors out there. Day in and day out, you show unmatched dedication, skill, and passion for your craft. You're the backbone of our industry, and it's an honor to share insights and ideas with you. I also want to extend a huge thank you to our subscribers. Your loyalty and engagement mean the world to us. You've helped make this community a place where we can learn, share, and grow together. And of course, a special thank you to the tool manufacturers we've had the privilege to work with over the years. Your friendship, support, and innovation inspire us and help us stay ahead of the curve in an ever-evolving industry. Today, I'm reminded of how lucky we are to have such a great community, from the job sites to this channel. So whether you're taking the day off to enjoy some turkey or catching up on projects or football, know that we appreciate you. So wishing you and your families a safe, happy, and relaxing Thanksgiving. Cheers to all of you, and thank you for being part of this journey.